Do I say, hey, my name is Hector Cavazos? Okay. All right. Are you guys ready? Yeah. My name is Hector Cavazos. I work with Adama Innovations. We're a small company of 4 people, and we came here to Cork, and in particular to Republic of Work, to house one of our employees so he can be working at the Tyndall National Institute. We produce nanotechnology there, and then we ship it all over the world. Since 2014, with one person, we've grown to 4 people. And actually, we've moved all of those people here to the Republic of Work now to house us all together in one facility. So cool. The decorations, the conference rooms, there seemed to be this energy about the Republic of Work where it's just a bunch of small companies and everyone trying to, give it their best go. That's kind of contagious. And so what a great atmosphere. Having your entire team together just leads to efficiency and camaraderie, and it really makes a bigger impact as opposed to web meeting together all the time. Conference rooms, every business needs that at some point. They have web cameras in there so you can have local people, you can have people abroad, which is what we do. We do international business. So I'm talking to people in Taiwan, I'm talking to people in Japan, I'm talking to people in the States. And in some cases, our team is there locally and we're interfacing with somebody from some other part of the world. Percy Booth is almost like a small conference room. That's great too. Need that phone call and don't want to annoy your colleagues? Go get in there or pop open your laptop and coffee. Endless supply of coffee and tea. And as an entrepreneur, you guys are going to need it, right? You got to have the energy, you got to keep going. So limitless, love it. It takes away your worry about a lot of the little things. You have to go get an electricity provider, you have to get an internet provider, you might have to patch up a wall, you might have to do all these things if you're gonna try and go to your own brick and mortar and do that out there in the world. Whereas if you come to a place like this, it's already all pimped out, it looks great, it feels great, it has all of those amenities. If you're a small startup company and you don't need customer-facing brick and mortar operations, then I highly recommend the Republic of Work as a place to start.